just like a stranger. Now you get out and go. You just keep blinking, can't keep your eyes closed, thinking of things that can only make you feel much worse. And spent a long time not quite looking at the ceiling. Someone she used to care. Now you get loud and go. She's sleeping, now you're fully awake. It seems to fall until the morning comes. Now that the situation's changed, all you've got to do is just leave. She's dreaming, still you're fully awake. It's been a long 60-second go. Now that the old feeling's gone, she won't believe the things that you believe. Don't have no one to share. There's no more need to dare. Some people dreaming that she will come to you someday. Your photos